We work together, but
What are this? Food coloring or paper coloring?
paper curling.
Another paper coloring. And what are this?
Signs that we made.
Signs that we made for whom?
Auntie Girl and Kuya
Rowell. You know what his name? Owen. Okay, so Ate Girlin and Kuya Rowell will come home tonight. But that time that they will arrive, maybe I'm in bed because they will arrive late.
Why shouldn't use the elephant?
That's nice. Maybe here at the bottom? Or there? Okay. And on top? Just write what you're gonna write here. Never mind the bye. Okay. It's so colorful and beautiful.
1 second, can I do something?
Can you just read first so that I know what is the meaning all about?
Welcome home. We love you. By Elsa and Julia, Addie Garland, and Kuya Roya.
Oh, you want to write something in the
Yeah,
middle?
I'm writing.
Very colorful. Thank you, my dear Judy girl. Oh, another coloring.
Just to make it
That's
look
cool.
good.
It's late. Dad is not home. My gosh, but it's okay. Welcome home, Ate Girlin and Kuya Ruel. Ang ganda ng gawa ng aking alaga. And of course, para naman may i-open sila, ay may mint. Sa ilalim ng mint, ay may cake. Kasi pagdating nila, tulog na ako for sure. Ay, nag-burp ako. Just done eating. Darating ang anak ko bandang alas 12. So means, hindi ako pwedeng gising dahil bukas may work ako. Ay. Hopefully na maging okay ang buhay ng asawa ng anak ko dito sa Canada. Kaya, ayan. Welcome home, Ate Girlin and Kuya Ruel, sabi ng aking alaga. Tapos nilagay pa niya doon, we love you. Diba? Yan lang. Hindi na kailangan bumili ng kung ano-ano. So, bago ako matulog, or ano pa bang gagawin ko sa baba? Magbihis, magkawkaw, ano pa? Mag-premiere, ganon. Ano yung sinabi ko? Nakalimutan ko na. Ayan. Hindi ko na mahintay yung anak ko. Dahil, yun nga, late silang darating. I need milk freeze bago matulog. Sabi nila, pag gusto yung makatulog ng maayos sa gabi, drink milk. Pero ang milk ko actually, ito, almond. Hindi masyado sa sugar, kasi ang almond is more on nuts. Kaya yon, almond ang gamit ko. Mas mahal nga lang konti pero it's fine. Tapos, kalahating baso lang. Nag-dinner na ako, nagprutas na ako, naggulay na ako. And then a cup of milk. A half cup of milk. Actually, inaantok na ako. Tapos bukas ang work ko bandang alas. Dapat makalabas ako ng bahay ng 6:30. So, magigising ako ng 5:15, magluto, mag-breakfast. And then, alas 6:30 aalis, makarating doon mga 7:30, 7:40. Work hanggang 6 o'clock p.m. Hopefully na hindi naman ako yayain ng alaga ko na Pokemon hunt. Kasi nung nag-Pokemon hunt kami the other time, naloka ako, ang lakas ng ulan, and then sabi niya, "You have to follow me!" Lahat yung steps ko pala yung araw na yun ay like umabot ng almost 19,000 steps for one day. If you will just go back to my premiere or video last time, ayun, yung marami kang ginagawa, yung the whole day activities, nakakapagod. But anyways, hindi ko alam kung talagang magigising ako dito pagdating ng anak ko, but I have to say bye-bye now. And hopefully masurprise sila sa surprise ng aking alaga. Welcome home, Ate Girl and Kuya Roel, sabi niya. That's why I love yung mga alaga ko, dahil yung mga sinasabi ko, oh, darating si ate at kuya, yung mga may darating si ganito, gumagawa sila ng ways, lalo yung babae. Noong maliit pa yung panganay ko, yung 14 years old na ngayon, siya naman ang gumagawa ng paraan na makipaglaro sa aking anak, o kaya tinatawag niya na sasabihin, nung 2 years old pa yung bunso, ay yung panganay, sasabihin niya, Elsa, Sinabi ko ng pangalan ko. Yes, I'm Elsa. Kael. Ginawa ko lang Kael. Kael. Yan. Kaya ginawa ko yung L, tapos nagdagdag ng Ka. Tapos si Goryo, Ka. Kaya Kagor. Yun. Sabi ko na, ako si Frozen. Kaya yung alaga ko, parating niya yung sinasabi, Elsa, do you wanna build a snowman? Diba? So cute. But anyways, again, thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, Kalelkins. Uy, kailangan ko nang bumaba at mag-ayos-ayos na, gabi na. Welcome home, Ate Girlen and Kuya Ruel.